I'll say.
BIGPOPPA, no info for the DEA.
Every morning I wake up with the utmost gratitude. I'm so thankful to be alive, so thankful to have a roof over my head, to have a family, to have food, to have so many things that are so simple but so grand in our lives. Every day I'm so thankful to have the chance to start over again and try again. And I know for sure that if I can't accomplish what I wanted to accomplish today, that there will always be tomorrow to try again. And sometimes tomorrow isn't promised, so we have to make the best out of what is today. I have fulfilled orders after orders on the daily. This is here a tea blend that I offer in a self-love box along with some sugar scrubs, lavender and some rose fragrances. And I am so thankful for this opportunity. I have been pretty busy, but I have vowed to move my body every single day. I do not document it every single day, but I am still moving all the time, as this is a lifestyle that I'm trying to accomplish. I also decided that I wanted to throw myself a little birthday party. I told my husband that I was going to do it. I planned everything. I bought a little black dress and dressed myself all up because I deserve all the good things that I want to give myself, and I celebrate myself every day. Guys, so today is February 28th and it is my birthday. I am not doing anything too fancy. I wanted to throw myself a party. Well, a party with just my husband and our son, and that's just it. I ordered the cake with my friends. I put up some balloons. Just pretty simple, ordering my favorite food and then just doing it here, have some music, some dancing, and just spending it with the best people, my favorite people. And yeah, I've gone to dinner with some friends, spent some time, but let me show you my decorations. They're so cute. It's so beautiful. I did this this balloon garland yesterday with my husband's help, and I have 2 dozen roses right here. Some champagne for later, the toast, and the cake made by my beautiful friend. So cute.
Make a wish.
Okay, I'm making the wish. My husband surprised me by taking me to this skate shop in Bushwick, Brooklyn. It's a woman-owned shop called 5 Strides. So I've been wanting these skates for a while, and finally I decided to give it a try. Well, I mean, I've skated before. If you guys are from New York City, let me know if you've ever been to Skate Key. It's in Uptown. I think it's in the Bronx. It was in the Bronx, or I don't think Harlem. I don't remember, but that used to be lit. So let me know if you ever skated there. Skate outside for the first time, y'all. Help me. I got my crew here though. That's gonna look after me, right, crew? No, they have to move their dog. No skater. Where? Change into my clothes because I'm into my shoes. I started to cry.
Next time wear real socks.
I was crying. You on?
Baby, stop coming over here. Yeah, I see you. You look safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rightfully so. Rightfully so.
Stop.
Okay. New York City summers. This way? Oh my god. A chocolate ice cream with rainbow sprinkles.
Yeah, I want a vanilla.
Thank you. Oh, this is mine. Yes. What'd you get, Gav? Chocolate. Taking my son skateboarding today. What do you say? Hey, babies. It tells you right here which one this one is.
I kind of like that one too.
That one?
Cookie Monster?
Mm-hmm. Oh, everybody wants these. What'd you say? It's downstairs. What you said?
The art piece that we did when we were younger.
What are you talking about, baby?
You said you want to recreate a picture?
Downstairs. It's with the. So they're buying. Look at that. They're buying all this shit. we. Of course. Sure. So this is 2013. Gavin and I have a picture here. I'm gonna attach it so you guys can see it. And our new photo. Fun. Now we're going. You guys had a good time? Yeah. You bought a lot of stuff, huh? So many goodies. We both realized that we needed this in our lives. Well, maybe I did. Not him so much, but I knew I wanted this for a while now. I just don't like having things in my counter space. You know, living in an apartment is kind of restrictive sometimes, but I did buy it. I do make orange juice and grapefruit juice in the mornings, and it's a life changer, y'all. I don't know, I'm just showing.
It was on this side. Somebody buy that.
We are in Fort Greene. Our son off with his friends, and now we are just hanging out. Could this be love? Oh, how nice. Trees are blooming. We're going straight, right, babe? We don't have that. Say it again. They're real. Damn, this vine's gonna be crazy right here.
Huh?
This vine right here.
Oh, yeah. But doesn't it like block mad sun?
I think the G train comes here. Oh no. The G train. Yeah. Let's go to Mo's. So I think we're going to a record shop right here.
This is the same entrance.
Oh, okay. Had Sounds Records. I've never been in here. That was making me smile, that little face sticker. Then here is Spike Lee's Space. 40 Acres in the Mule. And sometimes you'll see him. And look at all these beautiful flowers. We're different. Where are we, baby? Cafe Paulette. The other one was closing for dinner. Because Cafe Paulette.
Say it again?
Cafe Paulette. And there isn't anybody here but me. I like it that way. She said, stop. Can I go here? She said we're closing.
Oh, yeah, they shut us down.
Yeah, but it's okay. Okay, we have to get the French onion soup. French onion soup. That looks delightful.
Good thing we decided to share because
He didn't want to share with me.
you know I wanted to share. You didn't want to share. You was like, I don't know.
Yes, I got a salmon burger with French fries, a garden salad, and salmon. And he has a regular burger with some avocado and bacon. And that's it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's very cool. FYI, we got married up there. You might have to show your friends from school that. Doo-doo.
I was about to say the same thing, man.
What happened?
This Brooklyn Nets cool.
We should. No, we should have got a
Ring
mix.
is open regular.
Oh, it is. I could have been by myself there.
Yeah, we should have just got a mix.
Throw it on here?